here at Fort Walton Beach. I'm Jay Calcutt, and today I'm going to be showing you 2021 Harris 230 Cruiser. One thing I want to mention about the tunes on these is we use 25-inch tunes. Standard is 23. They also use a thicker grade aluminum with these. If you notice that we have an M bracket here that goes the length of the tune on both sides on each tune. It definitely makes it so that it's more stable when you're out there on the water. Let's go ahead and go around the back and I'll show you some other features. One thing the Harris does that I like is the flip up cleats. So around the boat they all flip up and flip down. So no stubbing your toe on those. You notice that we have a 4-step stainless steel swim ladder here. Really nice grab handles here to get you on and off the boat, and you notice how it telescopes out. So you're not gonna have that problem with it going under the boat when you're out there trying to get on. This is outfitted with a 150 Mercury. Plenty of power to get up on plane and to stay on plane at lower speeds. Let's go topside and I'll show you some more stuff. Here on the deck of this 230 Cruiser, it's so new, you can see that we haven't even fully unwrapped it yet. This is the ski rail right here with the ski hook. Has a classic beige color for Harris. This is the single lounger design. It's adjustable 3 ways. You can go aft facing, forward facing, or you can lay it down and have a really nice sun pad. You notice this gate here, great for safety. You got the kiddos on the boat. You can close both gates and they're going to be safe in the cockpit here. Moving towards the helm, you'll notice that we got a SIMRAD fish finder / GPS. Really good feature to have so you know where you're at all times when you're out there on the bay. Also, if you want to throw some poles in the water, you'll be able to tell what's under the boat. We have a Fusion stereo system here, more cup holders, as well as one of my favorite features, this wireless phone charger. Very nice. Throw your phone on there and it does the job. More cup holders right there, recessed. Also have cell phone chargers in all of those cup holder areas there. Plenty of bow seating for entertaining. So if you're interested in taking this boat out or any other boat, call me, Jay Calcutt, at 850-225-9797.